Remove wrinkles overnight, magical anti-aging wrinkles removal home remedy to look 10 years younger. Today pamper your skin with revitalizing apple night cream, which nourish your skin and give it all the care it needs. Apple is rich in vitamin A, B, and C and many other antioxidants. It will be your retinol night cream. This will help in maintaining a younger looking skin that is soft and smooth. Buying the best night cream and a single skin care products that offers complete skin care is difficult to find. Some creams give skin whitening benefits, some are the best anti-aging cream like Olay Night Cream, while some cure dark circles. But to find one product that does it all can be a battle. This is the best homemade night cream to get beautiful skin. This is going to be the best face moisturizer for your skin. Rose water spray works as face toner, shrink open pores, remove dirt and oil and prepares your face for optimal hydration. Glycerin will help restore moisture, and this cream will work great as a winter cream and better than any best drugstore night cream, which will give fresh appeal to the dead and sagging skin. The other active ingredient is pure coconut oil. It will replenish your skin's health with its antifungal properties. It adds to both the health and the beauty of your skin. Vitamin E in this night cream repairs and protects the skin. This is the best anti-wrinkle cream or the best nighttime moisturizer, which will remove fine lines and keep you wrinkle-free. It is also great for skin lightening and glowing skin. You can prepare this cream at home and use it daily. It nourishes the skin to make it soft, supple and young. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.